In Fort Worth, garage doors endure relentless wear and tear, facing sweltering heat and unpredictable storms daily. The garage door consists of several crucial components that gradually succumb to everyday use and exposure to harsh elements. Among these, the springs bear the brunt of the tension, raising and lowering your door with each cycle. When springs wear out, you might notice the door becoming too heavy to lift or loud banging noises. Rollers are essential for a smooth operation, yet they gather dust and grime, leading to premature wear and tear. Ignoring bad rollers can put strain on other components, potentially jeopardizing the entire garage door system. Cables are vital for supporting the door's weight, but humidity in Fort Worth can cause them to fray and weaken. Regularly inspecting the tracks for misalignment is critical. Bent tracks can lead to noisy or even dangerous door operation. The garage door opener is the brain of the operation, but it can wear out, causing sluggish movement or unresponsiveness. Prioritizing routine maintenance can alleviate many issues, ensuring your garage door remains functional and secure for years to come.